Snuck back down here. Got about an hour or so to get some stuff done. I got the wood stove fired up. Gonna try to get this other sway bar mount knocked out. There's like a top plate that goes on here, and you got to put it up there. So I get that banged out, and then I can screw with these links and stuff again. And then got the steering arms over here. And the last thing I really need to figure out is this rear sway bar. So I'll probably start putting that together, figure that out. So yeah, let's get started on this stuff. Well, what did we get done? Front sway bar end links are on, and these are tight. They're good to go. I got the drag link on. Fixed the paint I messed up on the front. I started figuring out these tie rods. Apparently, JKs don't use jam nuts on these. It's a little odd to me, but whatever. I found a picture. I can't show you because it's on my phone, and I don't know how to edit videos to put that in there. But anyways, they don't use drag nuts, or drag nuts, drop lane or lock nuts. So kind of weird, but whatever. Figured out how this all orients because I couldn't remember how to do it. So I'm gonna work on getting that on. I have a alignment bar I'll put on there and pull tape measures across to make sure I got everything perfect. I'm just waiting on those nuts or the bolts to come in and hold the wheel bearing on. So I can only kind of get these eyeballed up for right now. So I'll get these all in that bar tomorrow and everything over there and everything anti-seize and everything, and get it kind of in there, but I won't be able to finish until I get those in there. So, and then back here, sway bar is up, but I got to make this hardware tight. That's loose yet, if you see, but it's in there, which is half the battle. So I guess tomorrow I'll keep screwing with the front there. I got to order 2 more tires to match these. So Nittos, nice tires there. They just came in second place at King of the Hammers. First place was BFGs, but we don't have money for those. So that's kind of what's going on with this. And then I want to start screwing with the front end and getting all that sort of put together. So I guess I'll wrap up what I can with the suspension. If those bolts still aren't in, because I don't remember when they were coming in, I'll get the drive shafts and stuff taken care of. I got to get bolts for the headers yet, too. So I'll get that stuff taken care of. Do kind of what I can do, and then probably work on putting some drive shafts and stuff in. Oh, I got to tighten all these link bolts up. I wanted to be able to set it on the ground and kind of check my alignment before I got all that like perfectly tightened up. And I still might do that, but I probably get the drive shaft and stuff in yet. I don't think that's going to screw me too bad. Yeah. Oh, and I got to get lug nuts. This thing came with the right style, but it's got these stupid splined, and I don't run these because you break something while you're off-roading, the last thing you want to do is find your damn wheel lock socket. It's no bueno, no good. So that's kind of where we're at with this. I got to figure out how all this stuff routed cable-wise. Not 100% sure on that, so I got to figure all that out. Yeah, there's that O2 sensor, which we found the other ones up there somewhere. So figure that out. Then I got some heat shields to, I don't know, figure out too how these go back in there. I kind of want to get everything sort of sorted out, down on the ground on all 4 wheels, start the thing, make sure it's running good, get fluids in it, make sure I don't have any leaks and have to come back apart, and then sort of align it and button it up, and then we'll worry about driving it. But it's kind of where we're at.